Here is the first four measures, or what I'm calling line one of the verse to Across the Universe. So the right hand is what we're working on. C is your first chord, so that is C, E, and G with the 1, 3, and 5 fingers. And then A minor is the next chord with 1, 2, and 5 on C, E, and A. And then you're moving to an E minor, which is B, E, and G. So those first three chords are C, A minor, E minor. And then we're moving to D minor 7, which, since we're just using the right hand for right now, is just going to be an F chord, which is C, F, and A. And then you're moving to a G chord, which is B, D, and G with the 1, 2, and 5. So, and then the last chord, B, D, and F, which is a G7. So you have C, A minor, E minor, D minor 7, G, G7. So this is how the rhythm of it actually goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, A minor, E minor, D minor 7, G, G7. One more time.